I got some shit that they can't defuse. I got some shit that will shape the globe, make the snow. Whoever in the game trying to make it whole, let's face it though. They focus on the gossip, they focus on the commas, they focus on the drama. Try to put my brothers in behind us. Try to put my brothers in Murciélagos. They can't stand that we making noise. No, 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 man. Stay silent when we making noise. And you know that. They can't stand that we making noise. No, 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 man. Stay silent when we making noise. And you know that.
Breaking news. Listen up, I got some breaking news. Breaking news. Listen up, I got some breaking news. Breaking news.
Yeah.
Listen up, I got some breaking news.
Yeah.
Breaking news.
Got this.
Listen up, I got some breaking news.
Breaking news. Black Heart about to break the news. A lot of people mad cause they not me. All over my green, heavy on the broccoli. And daddy don't wanna kick it like a Roddy. The few that want beef, chop it like a bossy. I put every single day into my rhymes, boy. Flow supposed to like you stepping on the mind, boy. Ain't I focus on mine, boy. Even when I'm Mario store, you niggas couldn't shine, boy. You should just face it, y'all niggas basic. I'm out of this world like I live in spaceship. Either I'm the GOAT or I'm adjacent. Keep it 100 like I'm Ben Franklin. If you don't know, now you know my name. Too much people are yours, I'm in my own lane. They can't stand that we making noise. No, 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 man. Stay silent when we making noise. And you know that. They can't stand that we making noise. No, 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 man. Stay silent when we making noise. And you know that.
Breaking news. Listen up, I got some breaking
And you
news.
know that.
Breaking news. Listen up, I got some breaking
And you
news.
know that.
Breaking news. Listen up, I got some breaking
And you
news.
know that. Yeah.
Breaking news. Listen up, I got some breaking news.
What's good, y'all? I'm gonna give y'all with a breakdown. Over on the West Coast, these bitches ain't got shit to worry about. They got fun, sun, surf, and a bunch of weed. Can't ask for anything better. We got in the South, we got in the South. Right now, they ain't got no crazy storms. It'd be a good time to go down from Southern Hospitality, if you feel what I'm saying. On the East Coast, we got some crazy ass weather. Somehow, we end up having 4 goddamn seasons in 1 goddamn week, every goddamn week. Niggas can't dress for shit. Also, what I really want to talk to you about is breaking news. In New York, right now, we got some crazy ass heat waves coming from there, man. Right now, it's called the damn strong heat wave. Come out straight bars. Top niggas. Be ready.